What's up, guys? Welcome to week 3. I think we just started yesterday. I hope everybody's doing well. Hopefully this video gets posted. I was having some trouble. I did an app tutorial, and for whatever reason that video wouldn't load, so I'm thinking it's the length. So I'm going to try to shorten this down really quick. But I just wanted to give some motivation, some encouragement. Hey, I know that a lot of people have been going at it really hard and have been injuring themselves in some way, shape, or form. I am the same way. Okay, I had to take a couple days off because I was hurting myself. I pinched in my nerve in my back by squatting. Like I said, I'm still doing my regular workouts on top of everything else. Rest is part of working out. Okay, exercise, rest is important. So having a rest day each week is highly recommended. Don't work out 7 days a week for 30 days straight. It's possible. There's little things that you can do that are still considered exercise, but I really don't recommend it. The other thing is getting sleep. I have problems with that. I struggle with getting enough sleep, but sleep is super important, including in your rest. So if you can, make sure that you're getting enough sleep, you're taking rest days, and you're listening to your body. If you're injured, like if you twist your ankle or do something else, don't do any running, don't do any jump rope, but you can still do your abs, you can still do your planks. So if you really need to get something in, if you're really trying to focus on losing weight, focus on what you can do, not on what you're supposed to do. Okay, giving your best every single day is the most important key. Sometimes you're not going to make it all. Okay, I told you in another video that some days I forget. Sometimes I don't have enough time to get in an ab workout. So I've been trying to do better about focusing on when I can do it, and if I can't do it, I make it up the next day. So do your best to do your best on that day. If you're hurting, take some time off, rest and relax, go backtrack, get it done. 30-day challenge does not necessarily mean that you have to work yourself to death every day of those 30 days. Do what you can. Don't feel like you're unaccomplished if you don't get everything done in one day. Do the stuff that you can. Don't injure yourself more, okay? And then come back on it. If you don't get in your 10 miles this week, but next week you feel great, then do 20. Knock out the 20. It's not that super difficult. All you have to do is focus and listen on your body. All right. So the video is a little longer than I wanted. Hope everybody's doing well, staying confident, staying focused, sticking to your written workouts. Okay, so if you're dieting, diet. Okay, don't succumb to cravings. All right, and I hopefully can get another video out about that. And we'll talk some more later. Take care, guys.